Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this guy, the Oculus Quest. So let's crack this bad boy open and see what we got inside. Got my handy dandy screwdriver here. I'm just going to be cutting off the cellophane here. Now let's see how this thing opens up. It slides right off. And this box pops right open like this. And right away we can see the headset and the controllers. So let's lift up this headset. All in one. Actually, it's lighter than I thought it was going to be. It doesn't feel too much heavier than the Oculus Rift, but I can definitely feel more weight in the front end. But other than that, it's really lightweight compared to what I thought it was going to be. And here are the new touch controllers. They definitely have a different grip texture than the other ones. These controllers are really smooth, and you can see the difference in the sensor bar, but I know that this has a textured surface on it. I didn't know that that's how it was, and I could see that being a really good thing because these often slip out of my hands, especially when I start to sweat, so that's pretty nice. They feel, other than that, they feel very similar to the other touch controllers. Little bit different ergonomics, but not too bad. So let's put those aside and see what else we got. I think that's it for here. We got another little box here where you got your charging plug, a face mask. I believe this is if you have glasses, to the spacer, your charging cable, Usbc, which is nice, a couple batteries, and your manuals, your guides. And I think that's it. I think that's the end of the unboxing. So far, my impression is that this headset feels really good, and I'm gonna go get my Rift just to do a side-by-side comparison on it. So here's my Rift compared to the Go. Obviously you have the camera sensors, you have which actually feels about the same material. It's a little bit deeper in the mask area, which is probably where that front weight comes from. Obviously they have to cram more into the sensors and stuff on that. You're losing the integrated earphones, but I believe the band itself has speakers. I'm almost positive it has speakers integrated into it. It looks like, I don't know where the speaker port is, to be honest. That's pretty slick design. The headband itself is very similar, yet a little bit different for ergonomics. It looks like it hooks onto the back of your head a little bit more than the Rift does, and obviously you don't have the cable. So there's kind of a side-by-side comparison on the original Oculus Rift versus the Oculus Quest. I didn't think to do this. So you still got your eye adjustment, I forget what they call that, and then you got a volume up and volume down button, which is nice. Weight wise, it is substantially heavier, but not heavy. And you definitely feel it in this area. This feels solid, where this one feels more hollow. where that is. Okay, let's take this out and let's do the peel. Oh, that was very lightly on there. I want to see if you can tell any difference in the lenses, because they do have different lenses. Shapes are a little bit different. Yeah, so the insides again look similar. Not a whole lot of difference in the overall size and shapes of them. Obviously you have some weight differences because this is an all-in-one sensors, processing, and everything, where this is just the heads-up display. But yeah, it's looking good so far. I can't wait to fire this up, and in a future video I'll give more of my opinions on it and tell you what I think. But this was just a quick side-by-side comparison of the Oculus Quest and the Oculus Rift, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.